Alright guys, this is the Barnet test center. So this is how you enter. This is the surroundings. Really busy at the moment because it's like school rush hour. You go have a look around. And then this is the entrance. Barnet. There you go, and this is the waiting room. So nothing fancy, but it's proper warm in here. So yeah, this is the Barnet. So nice test center. I'll show you now. From here you can kind of see the car park. You can see it all the way up there. But I might take a little stroll down so you can have a look at that as well. So your test will start from here. You go out, and then examiners will get you to sign on this table or that one, and then they'll start your test. There you go, you start coming down here. How are you? You okay? I'm good, thank you. And you too?
Yeah.
Right. So in your test, you'll come along here. If I show you kind of in the road position, you'll be like here, for example, coming along, and then you're going to go into the car park, which is over here. And then this barrier will open, obviously, because examiners have the key fob. You can't practice in here, so you're just going to have to wait and practice elsewhere. And then the car park is pretty busy, and they've only got a few spots here anyways, so we're going to be parking up there. So we've got these barriers here. So back in the day, the examiners used to allow you to hit the barrier, which was a bit annoying for us, so we stopped coming here. You can see they're a bit battered and dented, but yeah, it's only a few bays, more than enough. But then you've got these parked cars sometimes on this side, and it can get a little bit awkward when you're trying to do it because there isn't much space here. So apart from that, it's pretty much it. There you go. Ta-da! So yeah, that's just a little Barnet tour. They usually finish the test in here, so you won't be coming out of here. So they'll stop the car usually over there as well. And then that's about it really. So I hope that helps. Good luck with your tests.